Right, welcome back everyone. We've got another little quick video on the Streetwise. A little bit of a performance / enhancement, styling upgrade, shall we say. I don't think it's going to do anything with the performance, but what we have got is a new rear spoiler. And that's going to replace this one here. And we are replacing it with an MGZR version. So it's got this second hand and it's already in the correct ignition blue colour. So hopefully that'll be a case of just undoing a few screws and taking the trim around the window out, and then hopefully there's just 4 bolts that hold it all in, a brake light cable, and hopefully that'll look epic. Right, as I say, hopefully it's just a few Phillips head screws to get this plastic trim off. We've got one here, same on the other side. Should be able to then get these plastic trims off, and then we should be able to see the holes in the boot lid for the bolts for the old spoiler. So yeah, we'll just make a start and getting some bits off. Right, so we'll just make a start and getting these bits off here. Try not to lose everything. So we'll do one here. Yep, and of course that's been lost in the abyss. Right, so now hopefully we can pull these out and pull this down. There we go. And that's revealed 1, 2, and there's another one in here and another one in here. Right, again, try not to drop everything. Gently does it. And this one here as well. There we go. These ones aren't too bad because they're not going to fall in the cavity of the car. Right, hopefully we can close this down, and oh, as easy as that, hey? Now we have got a wire to contend with, but whether that'll come out or not, who knows. Go. Just hang that down that rear wiper for now, and we'll just unplug this. There you go. I think what we're going to do is we're going to just clean up around here, get rid of all the dirt and grime. Right, so all I'm going to be using is just some all-purpose cleaner. Right, so I've got a little bit of all-in-one polish here as well, just to try and help bring it up a little bit, I guess. just around the edges more than anything, because you can't see underneath the spoiler, but we can try and get the edges nice and clean. That could ideally be done with being machine polished, really, but won't be doing that today. I would like to give this car a good old detail, actually, like proper decontamination and a proper, like a single stage machine, but I'll wait until I get all the wings replaced for that first. There's no point doing it with crusty old wings, so. Right, I think we just need to get the new one on. Right, so as before, I'm just going to rest it on the rear wiper for now, and we'll plug this in. Just make sure that wire is not trapped underneath. Oh, look at that. Oh, it looks cool, doesn't it? Hopefully, if I lift this up, that's not going to fall off. Hopefully, just keep it nice and steady. And say, hopefully it won't fall off. Start getting these screws in. Can poke this through here, take it nice and gently. Not going to go too mad because they have only a little brass insert and a plastic spoiler, so we'll just tuck that out of the way. That's for the brake light. And then hopefully we can get this back on. There we go. And there for your parcel shelf these are. But I've got them off at the minute because obviously I'm still battling with this wiring for the boot and the central locking, so we'll come to that another day. So I have to lean through here and manually open the boot at the minute if I need to get into the boot. But there we go, that is all together. Do I dare shut it? Whoa. Look at that, looks more aggressive now, doesn't it? It's in really nice condition as well. There's a couple of little scuffs just here, but I think I paid 60 or 65 quid for this delivered, which I think is absolutely bargain. As I say, it's in the right colour. So yeah, mega chuffed with that. I think I'm just going to give it a little bit of a wipe over some quick detailer, and then just check the brake light works, and then hopefully that'll be job done. Right, so just let me know if the brake light works or not. On, off, on, off. Did it work? I'd say that's a bit of a success.
Great success.
Right, there we have it then. A nice simple little upgrade to make your Rover 25 or Rover Streetwise that little bit more sporty.
You serious?
Yeah, I know. You can't make these things look sporty, but it is a nice little simple upgrade. As I say, they are direct bolt-on replacement, and again, I got this in the same colour, so I thought, why not? It just because I can, really. No other reason than that. So yeah, I wasn't actually going to film this, but I thought I'd take you along the journey anyway. My uploads have been a little bit all over the place, a little bit sporadic. Some weeks I'll do like 1 or 2, and then other weeks I don't do any. So it could be like 3 or 4 weeks before you get a video. So I thought these little things will tie you by for the meantime, for the Rover enthusiast of my channel anyway. But yeah, we've got plenty of more stuff to come. The Ford lovers out there, I have got some content for Fords. My Focus ST engine is absolutely dead, so we're going to have to rebuild the ST engine, make it bigger and better than what it was. Yeah, so I think that will do it for today's video. I hope you like it, and we'll see you in the next one.